Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another valuable talk on money, business, and investing. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company and brain here at Master Investor. If you're new to our community, make sure to follow us here and all other social media platforms. Click the link in the description so that you can join our inner circle through our digital course and ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On. If you're interested in learning how to create passive income and capital gains income through assets that we control on our asset column, then that digital course and ebook is right for you. It's going to help you understand the cash flow circle, the different types of investors that exist, the different levels of investors, the different types of income that exist, the difference between good debt and bad debt, the difference between an asset and a liability, how to read financial statements, the cash flow triangle, the cash flow system, and how to set up the systems to create positive passive income on autopilot without us working. Okay, that's the whole purpose of our community here at Master Investor, is that we focus on building our passive income and make money work hard through sound investing. Today is February 22nd, 2024, Mastering the Art of Acquiring Cash Flow and Assets. Today's golden rule is that job number one of an entrepreneur is to master the ability of raising capital. From the front end, from direct sales on autopilot, from our sales funnels, right? And our operations that we are controlling with systems, because a sound business is a system of systems. So that business must raise capital from the front end. It must be built, if we're building one from scratch, to raise capital from the front end, meaning that it's selling on autopilot the product to the customer. Okay, and then from the back end of the business, which is from the banks, right? The banks are interested in investing and lending us money because the operation works and the business has intrinsic value and it has business integrity. So it's a brand, it's not just a business. All right, and then the number one skill of an entrepreneur is to sell without selling, using systems and smart marketing. Okay, that's what we show you how to do here, right? Because we don't want to create employees. We want to, in fact, create true leaders, wealthy entrepreneurs, and master investors that understands how wealth is created, how to acquire assets, how to use debt to invest for passive income and capital gains income, and how to minimize taxes legally to zero by using debt, because debt is tax free, because money is created with debt, and money is a currency, it's an idea backed up by confidence, it's fiat, it's paper money, it's monopoly money, it's not longer real money, right? And so we need to learn how to get positive cash flow without us having to do any work after we get everything set up and going. Because an asset is supposed to make us money whenever we're not working, so that we can create more freedom and our lives and can do something else, build something else, acquire something else, and contribute something to the world, right? And that's what we want to do. We want to repeat that cycle, but we need to master the job number one of an entrepreneur, which is the ability of raising capital. And the number one skill of an entrepreneur is to sell without selling, using systems and smart marketing. Today's title of today's podcast is Unveiling the Principles and Core Values of the Wealthy. Behind the veneer of wealth lies a set of principles and core values that guide the actions and decisions of those who have achieved financial abundance. While material success may be the outward manifestation, it is often the adherence to these underlying principles that sustains and perpetuates wealth over generations. In this talk, we will explore the fundamental principles and core values embraced by the wealthy, shedding light on the mindset and ethos that underpin our success. Number one, financial discipline. At the heart of wealth accumulation lies a steadfast commitment to financial discipline. The wealthy understand the importance of living above our means, getting into good debt, and making right financial decisions. We prioritize investing in financial education and assets, allocating resources wisely to build long-term wealth, not only focusing on short-term gratification. We want to combine both. We want to create our asset column with assets that are going to produce constant positive cash flow throughout many years to come, generations after generations. When we create true brands, then we can do that. Okay. Number 2 is strategic planning and goal setting. The wealthy are adept at setting clear goals and crafting strategic plans to achieve them. We understand the power of vision and focus, breaking down our objectives into actionable steps and milestones. By maintaining a long-term perspective and aligning our actions with our goals, we paved the way for sustained growth and success. Number 3, continuous learning and growth. A commitment to lifelong learning is a hallmark of the wealthy. We recognize that knowledge is power and invest in our personal and professional development accordingly. Through financial education, self-development, mentorship, or networking, we continually seek to expand our skills, insights, and perspectives to stay ahead in an ever-changing digital world. Number 4, integrity and ethics. Integrity and ethics form the bedrock of the wealthy's success. We conduct ourselves with honesty, transparency, and integrity in all our dealings, building trust and credibility with our partners. We adhere to a strict code of ethics and values, recognizing that reputation is invaluable in business and in life. 5, resilience and adaptability. The path to wealth is rarely smooth sailing, and the wealthy understand the importance of resilience and adaptability in the face of challenges. We embrace failure as an opportunity for growth, learn from setbacks, and pivot when necessary to navigate changing circumstances. Our ability to persevere in the face of adversity fuels our resilience and ultimately leads to success. Number 6, generosity and philanthropy. Contrary to popular stereotypes, the wealthy are often generous philanthropists who give back to our communities and society at large. We understand the importance of using our wealth and influence for the greater good, supporting causes and initiatives that align with our values and beliefs. Our philanthropy endeavors leave a lasting legacy and impact far beyond our financial wealth. Number 7, work ethic and persistence. Behind every success story lies a strong work ethic and unwavering persistence. The wealthy are no exception, dedicating ourselves to our goals with passion, determination, and perseverance. We understand that success is rarely achieved overnight and are willing to put in the time, effort, and smart work required to realize our dreams. Number 8, balance and well-being. Finally, the wealthy recognize the importance of balance and well-being in our lives. We prioritize our physical, mental, and emotional health, recognizing that true wealth encompasses more than just financial prosperity. We strive for harmony and fulfillment in all aspects of our lives, nurturing relationships, pursuing passions, and enjoying life's simple pleasures along the way, working on the 4 pillars of an extraordinary life: health, wealth, love, and happiness. In conclusion, the principles and core values embraced by the wealthy serves as guiding lights on our journey to financial success and abundance. From financial discipline and strategic planning to integrity, resilience, and generosity, these principles form the foundation upon which wealth is built and sustained over time. By embodying these values and integrating them into our lives, aspiring individuals can unlock the potential for our own prosperity and fulfillment, paving the way for a legacy of wealth and well-being for generations to come. Get started today. Join us in our inner circle. Let me know if you enjoyed today's talk. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. Share and like the podcast. It will help keep Master Investor working. I appreciate you being here. Remember, it's all about having the wealthy mindset, have the core values of a master investor, and operate with the principles of the wealthy, something that we just got done talking about. And I hope that you take that with you today and make sure that you are operating with the mindset of the wealthy, okay? Because before we even achieve true wealth, we need to have the wealthy mindset. And that's what we're doing here at Master Investor. We're preparing for any type of economy because we know the economy goes up and down. So we're going to be investing in different asset classes for passive income and sometimes capital gains income. We have 3 ebooks right now that you can get on our store, on our website, and also on Amazon. The 10 New Rules of Money, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On, and How to Invest in Crypto to Build Wealth, Understanding Bitcoin and Blockchain. We're working on our 4th ebook. It's called How to Invest, it's called How to Raise Capital to Build Wealth, right? And so we're breaking down the wealthy mindset, the core values of a master investor, the principles, the business fundamentals that we need in order to build a successful asset column that produces ongoing passive income and capital gains income even while we're sleeping. Okay, that's the whole goal here at Master Investors, to create total freedom in the lifestyle that we all dream of. Start investing today with your financial education and begin to take control over your finances. You will make decisions. You will create your first digital asset. Either you're going to do affiliate marketing, you're going to do white label, whatever that may be. That business is going to solve a problem. We're going to connect the end user with the provider. We're using other people's products. Do we need a lot of capital up front? Not at all. In fact, when you follow the 3 simple steps, number 1, have a capture page. Number 2, have an email autoresponder connected to the capture page. Number 3, have targeted traffic going to that capture page. Connect a product to that capture page. Create an ad on Facebook or any other social media platform and launch that ad, and wait for those leads to come in, and eventually the sales will come in as those leads turn into conversions. Okay, they will be converted through our sales funnels. But that is the simple 3 steps that you need in order to start building your first sales on autopilot. And we don't need to create our own products. We can use other people's products. If you go to clickbank.com, there's a marketplace there where you can have access to over 500 products to promote, and all you have to do is create a link that they give you within 5 seconds. It's called a hoop link or an affiliate link. Use that link on the capture page that you will create inside of the email autoresponder. Bringing the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. I hope that you enjoyed today's talk again, and I'll talk to you next time. And stay extraordinary and wealthy. Bye for now.